In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could start a YouTube channel step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by actually opening up the YouTube app on your device. And once you're on the homepage, go ahead and tap You down in the bottom right corner. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this. And if you already have multiple Google accounts signed in, go ahead and hit switch account just like so, and choose a Google account that does not already have a YouTube channel connected to it. If you only have one account and it doesn't have a channel yet, YouTube may automatically prompt you to create one, but after selecting the account, you're going to see a create channel option near the top of your name, or like kind of right underneath your name in this section where mine currently says view channel. Tap on it and you'll be able to choose your channel name, select your handle, add a profile picture, and customize everything how you want. Whenever you're ready, confirm by hitting create channel and your channel will now be created. Give it a few minutes to fully update and sync across YouTube, but after that, you're officially a YouTuber. Now, if you want to earn money from your channel, you will need to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Currently, that means meeting YouTube's eligibility requirements, which typically includes a subscriber and watch time milestone. It's about 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, but as soon as you meet those requirements, you can apply for monetization inside of the YouTube Studio app. That is how you can start a YouTube channel. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.